Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my Mmmh inspired design. Start off by painting your index, middle, and thumbnails black and your ring fingernail light orange. On the index fingernail, we'll be painting Kai from the X version album cover. Start off by making the face shape with light gray. Once the silhouette is dry, use darker grays and black to make the mouth, nose, eye, and hair. I couldn't really see what I was doing when I painted this on camera, so the proportions were kind of off. I've included some progress shots from when I painted it the first time though, to give you a better idea of what the face should look like at each stage. I think the problem with this video version is that the nose is too high and the chin is too long and wide, so keep that in mind if you're following along. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the middle nail, use white to make the optical illusion from the digital album cover. The trick that I found with the middle part is that you want the lines to get further apart at the ends and closer together at the center. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the ring fingernail, start off by using peach to make random lines on the nail. I tried to make it look like kind of a circuit board, but you just want to give the nail some dimension. Next, use white to make the open character. Keep using white to make a circle of short lines around the character. Add some sheer yellow around the edges. Finish it off by adding some light yellow highlights. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the pinky nail, start off with just a base coat. When it's dry, use black to outline the nail. Keep using black to make a lacy floral pattern on the nail. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the last nail, use white to make Kai's logo. Sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!